I'm Paul Noble and I'm the Managing Director of Flag Makers, and we're one of the UK's specialist manufacturers of all kinds of flags and flagpoles. What are the Commonwealth Games? Well, after the Olympics, they are the largest multi-sport event in the UK. And this year, they're coming to Birmingham, in the heart of the country. There's going to be thousands of athletes competing across 25 venues, supported by tens of thousands of coaches and welfare staff. And there's going to be hundreds of thousands of people coming to cheer them on and watch them as they compete and win medals across a multidiscipline sporting arena. So what are we doing for the Commonwealth Games? Well, an event like this needs thousands of flags. Firstly, for the venues, there's 25 venues, there's 72 nations competing, and every single venue flies the flags for those nations that are there. There's the protocol flags covering the games itself and the governing bodies that are represented at each venue. And finally, the medal flags. These can be gold, silver and bronze in any combination, so we need to be prepared to make sure that we can fly the right flags as those medals are awarded. For the opening ceremony and the closing ceremony, there's the athletes' parade, and a special set of flags are produced for them to wave, and the official federation flag to be hoisted from the pole as part of the ceremonials. So what made us perfect for this project? Firstly, it was knowledge. As a specialist flag manufacturing company, we've got a deep understanding of what it takes to make a flag correctly. That means the design, the finishing, and the overall aesthetic of the product. It's a lot more than just simply putting ink on fabric. Secondly, it's our equipment and our capabilities. We run one of the fastest flag production facilities in the UK with a high volume printer, but importantly, it's our finishing facilities that stand out. A large number of skilled cutters and sewing machinists who can turn a piece of fabric into a finished flag. And then thirdly, it's scalability. The ability to turn the taps on when we need to and produce 7,000 flags in record speed just in time for the Games. To make a project like this work, you need a team, and at Flag Makers we've got a great team. Whether it's graphic design, printing, finishing, or even quality control, bringing those skills together is what makes it work.